Is your bathtub looking old and tired, stained, chipped, or just plain outdated? Replacing a bathtub can be expensive and time-consuming, but what if you could make it look brand new again without replacing it? Since 1994, Renew-It Refinishing in Portland, Oregon has offered professional bathtub refinishing that will transform your tired tub into a beautiful centerpiece. We use high-quality, durable finishes that are guaranteed to last. Our expert technicians will carefully refinish your bathtub, leaving it smooth, shiny, and ready to enjoy for years to come. Choose from a variety of colors to match your bathroom's style. We're so confident you'll love the results. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, you don't pay. We also offer guarantees that no other refinisher in Portland offers. See our website renewitrefinish.com for a full list. Don't settle for an outdated bathtub. Call Renew-It Refinishing today for a free quote and see how we can make your bathtub beautiful again in just one day.